Prynhawn dda, a croeso I Gair Cymraeg y Dydd Heddiw. I seem to have missed out on Dydd Iau and Dydd Gwener, Thursday and Friday last week somehow. It's been a busy whole week. So we're going to go straight away with countries in Welsh. So we had Alban, Scotland, on Wednesday. So today we're going to have 3 in 1. So we're going to have Cymru, which is Wales, Lloegr, which is England, Lloegr, England, and Iwerddon, which is Ireland. Iwerddon Ireland. And together, these form the United Kingdom. But we'll leave that for another day because we've had our 3 today. So, Cymru, Lloegr, and Iwerddon. Remember to say them as you see it. Mwynhewch, enjoy, hwyl fawr.